Hi guys, it's me, Maya March, and we're gonna jump right into the tutorial. I'm like an Aries, so I'm really impatient. I don't like when I watch tutorials and they don't just jump right into things. But anyways, I'm gonna be using Take Me Back to Brazil palette and then the Morphe35b. I'm gonna show you a close-up of the eye. This was inspired by James Charles, or from James Charles. I'm gonna show you the look. Is this look? And so I'm basically going to follow the tutorial that he did for this look. He did it a little different than what he did in this eye look, but we're basically going to... He did it a little different than what he did it in this eye look, but we're basically going to follow along. So let me get to his video and we'll start. Oh, before we get started, here's a close-up of my eye.
Guys, can you please not pay attention to my eyelashes? Like, I really need to go and buy some new ones. So I'm using a pair of old lashes. Do not judge me. Just judge the eyeshadow look.
Okay. So it may be a little too much for some. So you don't want this look and it's a little too overbearing, how you can tone it down is, instead of doing the top, you can probably just keep it at like a neutral color and then just do like maybe like the glitter eye wing liner. I thought about that look too, but I said I wanted to get all of the Pride colors in this look, so that's kind of how we ended up with the top piece. So let's jump right into it. Okay, so I basically already did my base, which was the LA Girl, and then I put a little bit of the NYX Milk Pencil, and I kind of basically just did this, and I blended that out. Okay, we're gonna start off with the first color, which was a yellow. Hold on, I'll show you what James did.
Start sketching out my crease. So you guys know when I cut creases, I do them in a little bit of a strange way, and that is I sketch out the crease first and then go in with the shadows and blend upward after. This is not a very common technique, but it is what works best for me. So follow it, don't follow it. Don't really worry about like shaping.
And then he did orange.
And then with that same exact brush, dipping right into the red.
And then he did the red. So he did an outline first. And he winged it all the way out. So that's kind of how I end up getting like this long extended wing. I usually don't do mine this long, but okay. So here we go. So we're starting off with the yellow, like he said, and I do have the Morphe35b palette. So we're taking this yellow. Taking yellow from the BH Cosmetics. Oh, wait, I want to, matter of fact, yeah, no, let's do it. He added this orange. Mix that with a little yellow to like blend it. He added the red, and then we're gonna add a little pink too. So red and then pink. Okay, so basically he's going to go under that eye and like define it. So like I kind of went above mine, but I'm gonna define the eyelid now. So, and then he's like filling it in with white. Okay, so Next, using my LA Girl, I just wanted to say it like that. Next, using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Natural. We're taking some of that. I feel like as a makeup artist, the back of your hand always look like this. And even when you wash it, not saying like you can't wash your hands like really good, sometimes they stay. Sorry. Okay. So next, we're cutting this crease. Okay. So an easy way to like cut your crease, you can like do that and then like look up. But of course we're gonna go over the crease line. And that's just because like most of the time when you put like your eyelashes on, well, I don't know about certain people. I have little eyes, so if I put my eyelashes on and I don't go over my crease, you can't see any of the makeup. So this is like a tip for anybody who have like small eyelids like me. Obviously mine aren't too small, but my actual crease is. So once if you have a smaller crease, you'll want to do that, like actually go over your crease. But if you don't, most of the time you're pretty good. Okay, I'm about to get right back to the makeup, but I just stopped to eat some fish. I thought maybe you all would like to see it. It's not gonna take long. We're just gonna stop for a second. And I'm dipping it in this tartar sauce and with hot sauce. Sorry, I don't think nobody understand, like when you do makeup you do get really hungry. So that was a pickle. Okay, we're getting back to the tutorial. Sorry, I was just hungry. Here, I'll show you guys one more piece. I'm dipping that. It's hot and fresh too. Okay, back to the tutorial.
I'm going to use the Makeup Shack T6 brush in the white shade in the 35B and just pack it right on there.
So he's gonna pack his lid with white. So that's the next thing we're doing. Okay. Alright, so taking this white inside the Morphe 35B palette, we're gonna pack that inside the lid space. Okay, so I just took a piece of tape and I created an underline right here. He didn't do that because he's very talented and know how to do it without, but he took his Kat Von D liner and you see, and he created that line.
When it comes to the liner, because this would look very shady with a huge blowout crease and then a tiny little baby wave. So once again,
okay, so that's what we're gonna do. We're about to add a wing. Ooh, I just feel super colorful, like a flamingo or something. Okay, here we go, guys. We're adding. Hopefully you can see this. Sorry, it's like really hard. I can't do it inside the actual camera. So let's make sure you can see me. And I'm gonna drag the line all the way out like I did over here. And when you're doing it, for me, so my crease is like right here. You see it? Don't go over the crease because then it won't look like it's a straight line. It'll look like a curve, which isn't necessarily bad, but that's not what we're going for. Okay, so this is where I did the same thing, similar but different from him. So he did this same like order of the colors, but he did his with eyeshadow and I'm going to do mine with glitter. We can finish watching it just so you can see. Let's see. Matter of fact, on this video he actually didn't even do the top part. He just did the bottom, and so we're just gonna finish off the rest on how I know how to do it. Yeah, so I'll let you see the end, his end look. He actually didn't even do the picture look on this thing. So here, this was the final look.
Show well on camera, so this is just exactly what I did. Once again, if you don't want to wear that much blush, you do use this.
See, that look is even different from this look. I like this look better. He didn't record this look, but this is the look that I'm taking from him. But basically, we're done with that part of the tutorial. He helped us out a lot. So now we're gonna finesse it the way Maya wants it. Okay, so here we go, guys. Okay, we're taking this NYX glitter primer. We're taking that, we're putting just a little bit on our hands. We're taking just a brush, anything that's really good. I got an angle brush right now. And we're adding that on this line. Okay, next thing, we're gonna start off with the purple. So it's just like some purple glitter. And we're gonna fill that in the back. Next, we're going to add the blue. But I have this other purple that's like a little lighter, so I want to like transition that purple to the blue. So I'm actually going to add in some of that purple. Okay. So the two glitters we use so far are these. I start off with the dark purple and then we use the light purple. Next, we're doing blue. Oh, let me show you the blue. Yep. Okay, we're gonna do the green next. And then the yellow. So then we're gonna do the yellow. Okay. It's here in Miami and I can't run my stacks up. Did y'all hear? Look at me spreading gossip. This how I be with my friends. Did you hear Young Miami was pregnant? It's still a city girl summer, okay? We still got a lot of hot girls going on, and you know what I'm saying, it's a city girl summer, and we still got a little Janae, you know what I'm saying? I don't got no boo right now, y'all, but you know, I'm ready to be on some Janae. I'm ready to be on a Janae mood. Okay, so it's gonna be like little things we have to fix, but here is the glitter. Okay, before we get to the front part, like really swiftly, take a little bit of this pink and red, and we're gonna mix it a little bit at the end, like to where you see how I have that blended. I want us to like kind of blend that as well. So it's gonna go like this more. And now I think we're gonna add just a little bit more of the purple at the top as well. And I know you wanted to see this part because a lot of people say this is like really satisfying. But there you go. We're going back in on this palette, adding in this yellow. And we're gonna put that right in the front. So that's like right in the inner corner. Okay, next we're taking that yellow glitter. So I'm just dipping that in this, and then I'm adding the yellow. In my inner corner. And then we're just gonna add some of this crystal white or whatever you see it. So we're gonna add that in the inside of this, like this white space. So I usually don't announce the brushes that I'm using, which I guess I should start announcing. But anyways, I'm using the Morphe M23 brush, and then the Morphe M508. And the only reason why I'm telling you which brushes that I'm using currently is because these brushes actually really do work. Like, they help my, like, with the under eye, being able to like smudge it way better than like any other brush. So we're gonna start off by taking the yellow and we're gonna work our way back. So the yellow is first, and then we're gonna do the green, and then we're gonna do blue. For the blue, oh, the green I used was this green, and for its blue I'm gonna use this blue mixed with the BH Cosmetics blue. And then we have purple, and that's where I'm gonna use the M508 brush. So we're gonna use this dark purple. Yep, and smudge it along this line. And I'm gonna go back and like try to get it to all blend in together. I don't wanna look down too far because I feel like they haven't dried yet, but okay, here we go.
When I said I added some bottom lashes on. I'm gonna actually make a separate tutorial for that. And once again, guys, I'm using old lashes, so don't judge my lashes, just judge the eyeshadow look. Thank you.
Thank you for staying to the end of this video. If you like it, don't forget to smash that like button for me. Don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. And I think it's like until later, you guys. I do want to give a shout out to one of my subscribers for always commenting below. Don't forget, those comments are needed. Okay, I want to give a special shout out this week to Cam. She's been very supportive on the channel. So shout out to you. Thank you for being a supporter. And I guess until the next upload, you guys, bye. Thank you.